In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill a text box with color in Canva. Whether you're making a social post, a thumbnail, or a presentation slide, adding a solid color behind your text is an easy way to boost readability and make your message stand out. I'll show you two simple approaches, one that attaches a background directly to your text, and another that uses a shape for a bit more stylistic control. First up, the quick method using text effects. Start by selecting your existing text box on the canvas. At the top toolbar, click Effects. In the panel that opens, choose the background style. This instantly places a colored background behind your text without creating a separate object, which is great because it scales automatically as you edit your words or change the font size. Next, click the color icon within the background settings and pick a solid color that contrasts well with your text. High contrast keeps your design legible, especially on busy images. Now fine-tune the look with the controls. Roundness adjusts how sharp or curved the corners are, from crisp rectangles to soft peels. Spread changes the padding around your text, giving you a tighter label or a roomier tag. Transparency lets you dial in how opaque the background is. Go fully solid for maximum clarity or introduce a subtle see-through effect to let a bit of the image show through. This method is ideal when you want speed and consistency without managing extra layers. If you want more stylistic flexibility, use a shape. Open the Elements tab and add a square or rectangle, or simply press R on your keyboard to drop one onto the canvas. With the shape selected, click the color tile on the top toolbar and choose your fill color. Now double-click inside the shape to type your text directly. This keeps everything together and gives you a label style design you can customize further. If you'd like a more polished finish, you can optionally open border style to add a border and adjust the thickness or color. You can also tweak corner rounding to move from a strict box to a rounded badge. This approach is especially useful when you want a distinct block of color that serves as a banner, tag, or button style element. That's it. Thanks for watching.